Hey y'all. Well, I didn't record a intro for a couple of videos, so this is just going to be a generic intro, and we're going to just go through it because I record tons of videos on the weekends and I just need to get through it. But welcome. I'm glad to have you back. If you're new here, wonderful. I am tickled that you're here. I hope I make you laugh because I tell you, I laugh at myself. But I want you to stay. So if you have not subscribed, yeah, that's what we need you to do. If you have not subscribed, I want you to subscribe. And I want you to stay until the very end of the video for me, please. Okay, here we go. For the ingredients of this recipe, you'll need some olive oil, some butter, a little bit of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, chicken thighs or breasts, whatever your preference is. I have thighs because they were cheaper. This chicken bouillon to make the chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you'll need some pepper. I don't think I need onion powder. You need some Italian seasoning and some garlic powder and salt if you choose to put salt on it. I'm not putting salt on mine because I'm using the chicken bouillon. All right, our pan is pretty much ready to roll. Oh yeah. I have it on like a medium-high heat. Of course, this stove is very peculiar. All right, so I've already seasoned the chicken. We're going to put it seasoned side down so that I can do the other chicken side of the chicken. Not the other chicken, the other side of the chicken. Okay. Get those little pieces in there for Gizmo. All right. Now I want to season these with some pepper. I love pepper, so I'm going to go heavy on the pepper. Garlic powder, or you can use fresh garlic if you have it. I don't cook enough to use it enough. I would end up wasting it. So I do what I can here. Just going to let these brown on each side, maybe 3 minutes each, and then flip them and we'll be good to go. So our chicken looks like it's pretty golden brown. Oh yeah. Just going to flip it over. Ooh. Let me just tell you, it smells delicious. Let me flip those over. I'm going to give those to Gizmo. Whoops. It'll be okay. Let's not worry about it, okay? All right. Our chicken is not done, but it's done enough that we can take it out of the pan. We just wanted to brown it, just to give it that nice golden color. Now we are going to deglaze our pan with the chicken stock. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Sorry, my arm was in your way. You know, the only thing that I truly dislike about recording videos, well, one is eating by myself, but two is not having anyone here with me. All right. I forgot the Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to stir in the chicken broth. Just let that kind of like deglaze the pan a little bit. I forgot a lot of ingredients, so I will verbally go over the ingredients again. We're just going to add in that chicken broth. Then we want 1 cup of heavy cream. That's going to thicken. If I can get it out, my cheese grater. Lord have mercy. Okay, let's stir this a little bit. I'm going to grate in around about a 1/4 cup of fresh Parmesan cheese, which will be probably almost half of this. And we'll use some for garnishment as well. All right. And then we're going to add in, a half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. I love sun-dried tomatoes, so just going to add in a little bit more. And then we want to add in about a cup of spinach. I don't have a cup of spinach. I have what I have in the freezer, and that's what I'm going to use. And that will be perfect. I want to give this a stir. Yeah, this is colorful. All right, I'm just going to give it a good mix here with the fork. We're going to add our chicken back in here. Just nestle it in there, all nice and cozy, so I can get all drenched in this flavor. Don't forget the little bits, and don't forget the seasoning in the plate. I'm going to let this come to a small boil. I think I want to add some more cheese. Hope I'm not getting the paper in there, the plastic. All right. Place a lid on it. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Listen to that sound. It's done. I don't understand why it doesn't look a little more milky than it should, but it's like when you stir it up, it gets that way. Beats me. I cooked some carrots to go along with it. Not too terribly sure how they're going to taste. I tasted one raw. It's very bitter. It's a carrot. It's all right. There ain't nothing to brag about. Let's fix this a plate. Here is our plate of food. Does it not look delicious? Focus in there, baby. Yummy in my tummy. All right, guys, let's taste it, see what it tastes like.